Hearing of her son's death triggered emotions for this Clarendon mother Monday afternoon. But instead of grief, she was angry and, by her admission, embarrassed, ashamed due to the circumstances surrounding his death.
Long time I have mask on his face, don't they?
They know we shot him, officer. How where me go?
How many go rob?
Then he rob the man.
With gun.
He not me good here.
But the robbery attempt by Roshane Blake was foiled by a licensed firearm holder who was in the vicinity of the business place he targeted along Chapelton Road.
The information I have is that there's a fatal shooting where one man was shot and injured and a firearm was recovered. He was shot by a private citizen.
A relative who had gathered along with other onlookers contested the story of lawmen. She denied the 23-year-old was a robber. This drew the ire of the mother, who had to be restrained by lawmen.
Your sister did the ball, so I cannot teach you one day.
All him is soon dead too. He's not deep, but in a year. You soon.
The mother said she saw early signs of the path Roshane was contemplating and sought to dissuade him. But despite sacrifices from her meager means to keep him satisfied, he seemingly yielded to temptation.
Look for the plate of food. 5 pounds and me cook yesterday and 1 big chicken. And I pull around one place again. Say, Marky, easy yourself. Every time I go to town, I go buy my load shop. I buy things here, I can give one shoes. Sometimes my cousin on the brand.
If her utterances are to go by, this mother will not be planning the final farewell for her slain son.
How do you bury him?